Hello friends, today I'm going to show you one of the best website to create premium logo, and this is completely free of cost. This is very useful for beginners who don't have knowledge on editing like Adobe Illustrator, Adobe Photoshop. So here I'll be showing you one of the best website and method to create beautiful logo. So without further ado, let's get started. Very first, open any browser and type website, which is canva.com, and hit enter. Once website is open, you will have to sign up. Here you can log in with your Google account, Facebook account, or with just an email ID. Once you created the account, log into that. I already have account, so I'm going to skip this step. So once you log in at the home page, just scroll down the screen until and unless you see the option which is logos. Click on that. So if you want to create logo from the scratch, you may choose this first option, or you may select any of the design available in this page. So for an example, let me select this logo. Now it is giving us option to edit the logo. So very first, let me change the name of this logo. Just double click, Ctrl A, and type the name, Technical Spark. Once you enter your name, just go to the font and reduce the size. So I make it to 36. Now it looks beautiful. In the slogan, you can type anything. So I'm going to type my slogan here. Information is everywhere. Okay, I'm done. Now if you want to change the font for this any of the text, then simply go to here, and here you can choose any of the font, but make sure you don't select this icon which has the king symbol, because these are the premium contents, and here we are just going to create free logo. So just scroll down and select any of the available option. So let me select this one, Exar semi bold. Now it's looking more attractive. Now let me change this font. Again click on the font option. Now let me select any font which is free. I guess this will look good, Leak Gothic. Select that. Okay, perfect. Now if you want to change symbol, just select that and go to elements at the left hand side. In elements, there is a lots of images available. For an example, coronavirus, I have 213 images. Bold Faligo, I have 31 images. Zodiac symbol, I have 59 images. But let me choose one of the simplest, which is free. So let's select this flower. Okay, I selected that. So this is how you can place or move any symbol. Once this is done, now if you want to change the background, go to the background at left hand side and select whichever you feel good, and make sure that is a free. So I'm going to select this one. Okay, it's not looking that much of good. Just scroll down. Let me browse for one of the background image. Okay, this seems to be perfect. Wonderful. Now my logo is ready. You can explore other option also, which is available in the screen, like photos, element, text. There are so many options available, and once you are done, just click on the download button at the upper right corner and select download. Preparing your design. My logo is downloaded. Let's open that. Double click. So this is my logo. This is high quality logo, so you can use this logo anywhere you want to use. And friends, in this website you can download maximum 5 logo in a 1 month. So make sure when you download your logo, this is properly edited. After downloading, you can use this logo at any place. That's it in this video. Friend, please smash on the like button if you found this video useful, and don't forget to share and subscribe. Click on the bell icon so that you will never miss my future video notification. This is Sohan signing out. I'll catch you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.